Will RSR become the next XRP? What makes it so unique? We are here to answer your questions. Hey people, welcome to Moneymaker. Moneymaker is a channel dedicated to helping others become financially independent through cryptocurrency trading and investing. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more updates and support by adding comments and thumbs up. What is Reserve Rights Token? Reserve Rights is a Reserve Protocol utility token which is a stablecoin based on the Ethereum network. The Reserve Protocol has two different models, the RSR utility token and the RSV stablecoin. Both of them are backed by a set of assets. The RSV, on the other hand, is a global stablecoin and an intricate payment mechanism for hyperinflationary countries, individuals, and organizations. Reserve tokens started off as a fiat-pegged stablecoin, but it will gradually transition to various asset-backed stablecoins. Reserve intends to protect citizens in countries where people currently experience hyperinflation. Reserve Rights basically is an open-source project with 23 repositories but no publicly available releases. The platform was co-founded by Nevin Freeman and Matt Elder. Freeman is now Reserve's CEO and a seasoned entrepreneur. He defines his life goal as solving the coordination problems that are stopping humanity from achieving its potential. Matt Elder, on the other hand, is an experienced engineer who was previously working for Google and Quixi and now works to oversee the infrastructure of the Reserve Protocol implementation as the project's CTO. Since its launch in 2019, the Reserve platform team has grown extensively and now has more than 24 individuals, which includes engineers, developers, and legal and compliance staff, all working together under the shared ambition to position Reserve as an open, massively scalable stablecoin that facilitates economic prosperity. But what makes Reserve Rights unique? Different from other stablecoins that are typically backed by US dollars held in reserve in a bank account regulated by the stablecoin issuer or a trusted custodian, Reserve stablecoins are backed by a set of cryptocurrencies managed by smart contracts. This set originally consists of Ethereum stablecoin assets, including USD Coin, TrueUSD, and Paxos, but there are plans to later shift to a more diverse basket, which might ultimately include fiat currencies, securities, commodities, and complex asset types, like synthetics and derivatives. Basically, Reserve's major defining feature is its Reserve Rights token, which is minted and sold when the RSV stablecoin loses its value pegged with the US dollar. The funds produced by selling RSR tokens are used to restore the RSV collateral pool, whereas when RSV is valued at above $1, the additional collateral will be used to purchase and burn RSR from the secondary market, thus driving down the supply. Investors can benefit from this mechanism when RSV is valued at above $1 by buying RSV at $1 from the Reserve smart contract using RSR and then selling it off at the current market price to earn the difference's profit. This choice is only available to RSR holders and is currently one of the main reasons for people holding RSR tokens. How does RSR work? Reserve Rights Token is a popular token that currently maintains excellent liquidity. It is available to purchase and trade on various exchanges and the most well-established cryptocurrency exchange platforms, including BINANCE, Huobi Global, and OKEX, and can be traded against various popular cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Tether, and Ethereum, as well as the US dollar on multiple platforms. The Reserve Protocol is where the Reserve token's collateral tokens are reserved and protected. The assets used by market users to purchase new reserves are stored as collateral when new reserves are sold on the market. Even as production grows, this procedure keeps the reserve collateralized at a 1-to-1 ratio. The Reserve Protocol can sometimes aim for a higher ratio than 1-to-1 collateralization ratio. Scaling the supply of reserve tokens in this situation requires extra capital to maintain the required collateralization ratio. The Reserve Protocol does this by minting and selling Reserve Rights tokens in return for more collateral tokens. The token is one of various emerging blockchain solutions solving concerns that are specific to the industry. DAI is one of RSR's most problematic rivals. Both of them were released in 2019 and had the potential to develop and dominate the market, putting them in a most likely win-win situation. In addition, DM is a close competitor because it solves a similar challenge as of RSR. Reserve Rights has a fixed supply of 100 billion tokens, out of which less than 10% are currently in circulation. The maximum token supply for Reserve Rights has already been pre-mined, but a large proportion of it is locked for numerous reasons, including 55.75% of the supply being locked in a smart contract known as the Slow Wallet. Funds from this wallet are released after a 1-month delay with a public on-chain message from the reserve team clarifying the purpose of the withdrawal. Although RSR has a fixed supply of 100 billion tokens while on Ethereum, the reserve team has asserted that this maximum supply might vary once Reserve moves to its mainnet. This happened in 2020. The Reserve Rights token originally launched with a circulating supply of 6.85 billion tokens, out of which 3% were distributed to Huobi Prime IEO participants, 2.85% were released as project tokens, and 1% to private investors. All team, advisor, partner, and seed investor tokens were to remain locked until after the mainnet was launched. Reserve Rights is currently an ERC20 token based on the Ethereum blockchain, as a result of which it is secured against attacks by a robust proof-of-work consensus mechanism, which is backed by a network of thousands of Ethereum miners. RSR Price Analysis. Looking at the price analysis of Reserve Rights token, it is clearly visible that the token has a very obvious history. Reserve Rights token was first publicized in March 2019 at $0.0033. Since then, the price has remained pretty much stable with an average of $0.0022. Reserve Rights broke through the barrier in 2020, almost multiplying twice in price to $0.0049 in February 2020. Following the same pattern as other cryptos, the token started to regain a lot of traction around February 2020 and has already passed its previous all-time high, trading at $0.0071. The future of the token seems highly optimistic, as it has proved to be a project that has already beaten Facebook's Libra project and can outperform it and achieve a new record. A positive ending price within the RSR BTC's high-low range of 1 February 21 shows an increased demand for the RSR coin and a hike in its value towards the all-time high of 1 August 2020. Similarly, the RSR USDT might go up in value by 5 times from its current level to roughly 53 cents. In the previous 7 days, the lowest price of RSR was 1.9183 cents, and the highest price was 2.5844 cents. Reserve Rights have decreased by minus 26.7% in the past 30 days as of August 19. By November 2021, the price of RSR is predicted to be 9.48 cents and 12.75 cents by the end of December 2021, depicting a bullish trend for RSR. Reserve Rights' price prediction for the year 2022 is quite optimistic too. During January 2022, RSR is estimated to open at 13.74 cents, representing an upward movement of 0.072% since December 2022. During June 2022, the price of RSR is anticipated to be 33.53 cents and 40.36 cents by the end of December 2022. Price prediction. Coming to Reserve Rights Price Prediction 2023, during April 2023, RSR is predicted to open at 43.01 cents, representing an increase of 2.65 cents in the price of RSR. Keeping up with the bullish trend, RSR is estimated to reach 48.53 cents by December 2023. Reserve is a digital currency with a solid and real-world value that assists in the scaling of wealth, which enables global economies to secure and spend their money around the world. As a result, by December 2024, RSR is estimated to reach 63.6 cents. In January 2025, the price of RSR is expected to reach 99.48 cents and decline to 97.49 cents in May 2025, representing a 0.02% decline in the price of RSR. By September 2025, RSR's price is anticipated to reach 99.92 cents, and by December 2025, the price of RSR is expected to be $1.0852. The prediction for RSR has been overwhelming in different platforms. According to GovCapital, Reserve Rights has been trending upwards, which leads GovCapital to infer that similar market sectors were quite popular throughout the period in question. According to their forecast method, the asset's future price will be 11.4167 cents, which is 438.524% by December 2021. By December 2025, the price of RSR is anticipated to be 75.7 cents. According to wallet investors' predictions, the price of reserve rights can go up to $0.0762 from $0.0236 in a year. By December 2021, the long-term profit potential is more than 222.90%. By December 2025, the future price of reserve rights will be $0.288. Digital Coin Price predicts that the price of RSR is expected to be 3.5 cents by December 2021 and 4.1 cents by December 2022. The price will surge by 0.8 cents and reach 4.9 cents by December 2023. However, the price will reach 7.5 cents by December 2025, representing a 2.6 cents increase in RSR's price. But we need to know that all cryptos are subjected to market volatility, and every investment should be brought through, and you should do your due diligence before any investment. With that, we are at the end of the video. If you found it interesting, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. See you soon. Until then, bye.